Hi everyone, Dr. Luke Peterson here with the Knee Replacement Therapist. Today's question is, does delaying knee replacement surgery lead to the potential of increased difficulty with the actual surgery or the recovery after surgery? And the answer is, when it comes to delaying knee replacement surgery, if you have to delay it or you want to delay it for a year or up to a couple years, it's really not going to impact the difficulty of either the surgery itself or the recovery and rehab afterwards. That short time frame of a year to a couple years really isn't going to cause any significant increased damage or deformity to your joint, so the recovery and rehab really won't be impacted that significantly. And of course, this is considering that you're maintaining at least the same level of health and body weight and all of those good things as well. But overall, shouldn't really impact the difficulty with the surgery or recovery. Thank you.